Welcome back, all you warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscapes. We got a big job today, and it is our pre-season to the mulching madness. Getting everything prepped to come in here and do a mulch job. A lot of different trimming we gotta do. Got huge bed of butterfly bushes, about 6 of those. We have a cypress tree in the back that we trim. The junipers over here that we trim. The Diablos behind those junipers, we trim those every other year. That way they continue to bloom out. Got some perennial ground covering back there we're going to trim down and clean up. Crepe Myrtle needs to get taken back down so it's not all over the house and roof. And we got some hydrangeas we got to take care of. The beautiful red twig dogwood that we take care of, trimming it down. And there's a whole lot of hand pruning, so it's a lot of tedious time involved getting everything taken care of. Got all those that have to be hand pruned at the correct spots. Got a lot of perennials through here. So, good day of work. And like always, Mother Nature was playing with us. Rained all night last night. Was not really sure if you're going to be able to get any work done. Definitely don't want to throw mulch down today, because when you use dyed brown mulch and then it rains that night before it dries and cures, you'll have faded dyed brown mulch. So let's get some work done, and I'll check back in. The crew's ready. Whoop. Alright, so on the hydrangea, you can see where we cut it last year. This year, we're gonna find the leaf bud. Here's one, and here's one, and here's one. We're gonna find the leaf bud, trim it right above it, and then it'll have 1, 2, 3 little sprouts coming off that top. So, it's a nice, big, beautiful bush. Been taking care of this place for maybe 4 or 5 seasons for trimming. And like I said, this crepe myrtle needs to be murdered down this year, unfortunately. Would have been gorgeous with all those blooms on it, but they get messy. Everybody knows that. I'm gonna head around back, start trimming back here. Dalton and Ian are back here trimming up the butterfly bushes. Very tedious. Oh, wait a minute. The store is open now, so make sure you click the link down below for our store. See if you can pick up any merchandise. This is kind of a family adventure with Tyler, my oldest son, as the artist and designer. Dalton's running the store on the computer side, and I'm just me. So, yeah, check it out for us. We appreciate it. So here's a little time-saving technique for you. Even though I need to hand prune this big guy, I'm gonna take the trimmers to it first, get all that big stuff out of the way. That way it's so much easier to go in there and hand snip all the unclean cuts to make them nice and clean. Okay, so save that time when you can, however you can. We just finished up lunch, 2:45. So that's what I'm getting into after lunch. Got boys finished up the debris here and Crepe Myrtle that I gotta trim after that. All the trimming will be done, they'll be blowing, and I'll come through and shape the beds as requested by the homeowner. We don't do hard edging with the spade shovel. We just use the weed eater and grind it out pretty hardcore at their request. So let's get some footage here. These things are nasty. They got some huge thorns on them. All right, so at the end of that trimming mission, I have bare nakeded the Crepe Myrtle, and she will regrow like they always do. I could actually cut her down to a stump and she would regrow into a nice little Crepe Myrtle bush if desired. So the work we did here today was 4.5 hours with 4 of us on the job and a dump run. So we're at 1160 for our venture, and that was a lot of hand pruning. So the point I want to make today, most of all, is that when you're going on a property, there's a lot of hand pruning. Do not sell yourself short on how long it's going to take you. All right, be aware it takes a long time to go through and snip, snip, snip. So that's my advice for that, and I'm out of here. Y'all be good if you can. Always be kind, and above all, love each other. Elite landscape style. Peace.